Personalized satellite management, the AI revolution. Imagine a future where satellites manage themselves, optimizing performance and predicting failures before they happen. This isn't science fiction. It's the promise of AI-powered personalized satellite management. Let's explore how artificial intelligence is transforming the space industry. Currently, satellite operations rely heavily on manual processes and pre-programmed instructions. This approach is often reactive, responding to anomalies after they occur. It requires large teams of engineers constantly monitoring telemetry data and making critical decisions. This traditional method is becoming increasingly unsustainable as the number of satellites in orbit explodes. The complexity of managing these constellations demands a more intelligent and automated solution. AI offers a paradigm shift, enabling personalized management tailored to each satellite's unique needs and environment. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast data sets of telemetry, historical performance, and external factors to predict future behavior. This predictive capability allows for proactive adjustments, optimizing resource allocation, and preventing potential failures. AI can also automate routine tasks, freeing up human operators to focus on more complex challenges. One of the most significant benefits of AI is its ability to predict maintenance needs. By analyzing sensor data, AI can identify subtle anomalies that indicate potential component degradation or system malfunctions. This allows operators to schedule maintenance proactively, minimizing downtime and extending the lifespan of the satellite. Early detection of anomalies can also prevent catastrophic failures, saving significant costs and ensuring mission continuity. Satellites have limited resources, including power, fuel, and bandwidth. AI can optimize the allocation of these resources based on real-time conditions and mission priorities. For example, AI can dynamically adjust power consumption based on solar panel output and battery charge levels. It can also optimize fuel usage for orbital maneuvers, extending the satellite's operational life. AI can enable satellites to operate more autonomously, reducing the need for constant human intervention. This is particularly important for satellites in remote orbits or those performing complex missions. AI algorithms can make real-time decisions based on sensor data and predefined objectives. This includes tasks such as adjusting antenna pointing, optimizing data transmission rates, and responding to unexpected events. While the potential of AI in satellite management is immense, there are also challenges to overcome. These include the need for robust and reliable AI algorithms, the availability of high-quality training data, and the development of secure communication channels. Future research will focus on developing more sophisticated AI models that can handle complex scenarios and adapt to changing conditions. There will also be a growing emphasis on explainable AI, ensuring that operators understand the reasoning behind AI-driven decisions. As AI takes on a more prominent role, data security and ethical considerations become paramount. Protecting satellite data from cyber attacks is crucial, as is ensuring that AI algorithms are used responsibly and ethically. Robust security protocols and ethical guidelines are essential to maintain trust and prevent misuse of AI technology in the space domain. International collaboration and standardization will be key to addressing these challenges. AI is poised to revolutionize satellite management, enabling personalized operations, predictive maintenance, and autonomous decision-making. This technology promises to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and extend the lifespan of satellites. Ready to explore the possibilities of AI-powered satellite management? Contact us today to learn how our solutions can transform your operations. Visit our website to download our white paper on AI in space and schedule a consultation with our experts. Let's build the future of space together.